4.1 Interpreting the derivative in context. So as a reminder, slope is the change in y over the change in x, or y2 minus y1. Change in y over the change in x, which instead of saying delta y over delta x. Okay, now if we're doing the units for dy dx, this is the units for y at the top and the units for x at the bottom. So my units will be y units for y, over units for x. If we're doing the notation h prime of 2, then it's going to be the units for h over the units for time, because this is representing the change in h over the change in time. Okay, if f prime of x is greater than 0, that means the slope is positive, the slope of f, so f is increasing. If f prime of x is less than 0, that means the slope of f is negative, so f is decreasing. Okay, let's look at example 1, and we're just going to interpret the situation. Okay, snow is accumulating on a driveway. The number of inches of snow on the driveway is modeled by S of t, where t is measured in hours. A, interpret S of 4 equals 13 in the context of the problem. Okay, so we're evaluating the function s at t equals 4. What does 4 represent? That's your t. T is measured in hours. So at hour 4, S is 13. What is S? S is the number of inches of snow on the driveway. So 13, at hour 5, 13 inches of snow has accumulated on the driveway. Okay, now what's S prime of 4? Oh, this should be hour 4, not 5. Hold on. Okay, so T is still 4, so it's still going to be at hour 4. Okay, now we're doing S prime of 4. So I'm doing the change in S over the change in T. What is S? S is the inches of snow. T is the hour. So this is the change in the snow accumulating per hour. So let's say the snow is accumulating. And since I'm doing S prime, I'm doing the rate at a rate of 4. The units for S is inches. The units for time is hour. So snow is at hour 4, snow is accumulating at a rate of 4 inches per hour. Okay, one more. Interpret S prime of 7 equals -2. So now we're going to be at hour 7. Okay, now I want to say snow is accumulating at a rate of -2 inches per hour, but we don't say negative. So what should we say? Instead of accumulating is getting bigger. So let's make it smaller. The snow is decreasing at a rate of, and we're not going to say -2 because we said it was decreasing. So it's going to be at a rate of 2 inches per hour. It's decreasing. When you're interpreting it, you don't put the negative. You always describe what the negative means. So this negative meant that the snow was decreasing, as opposed to the positive mean it was accumulating. Okay, one more example. Example 2, the rate of new subscribers per month to my YouTube channel is modeled by y of m, where m is measured in months. Interpret y of 3 equals 18. So let's consider 3. What's the input? The m. So at 3 months, or in 3 months, what's y? Y is the rate of new subscribers per month. Okay, the rate of new subscribers per month to my YouTube channel is 18. I should include the units, which is subscribers per month, but I put it at the beginning. So the rate of new subscribers per month to my YouTube channel is 18. Okay, so now let's interpret y prime of 7. So 7 is 7 months. So at 7 months, okay, y is the rate of new subscribers. So I want to say the rate of new subscribers. Okay, so the rate of new subscribers is changing at a rate of -2. -2. Negative means it's decreasing. So I'm going to say the rate of new subscribers is, I'm going to say decreasing because of the negative by 2. Now the units are going to be the units of y, which are subscribers per month. And then I have to say per time, which is the month, because it was already subscribers per month and now it's also per month. You could also say subscribers per month squared, if that's an easier way to write it.